How to order foreign currencies in Chase Bank. Unfortunately, Chase Bank doesn't allow foreign currency accounts. But don't worry, there are numerous alternatives available, including the Wise account, which allows you to handle 50 plus currencies and receive up to 10. Despite Chase Bank being a major entity in the US and the UK, it may not offer foreign currency services due to legal restrictions. And it is also because of operational considerations. Lack of demand is a significant factor, as the bank may deem it not cost-effective to provide such services. Specialized currency exchange providers may be recommended instead. Operational complexities such as maintaining inventory and managing exchange rates could also deter banks. Additionally, risk management plays a role, as currency exchange involves inherent risks like exchange rate fluctuations and counterfeiting concerns. It's crucial to note that the availability of foreign currency services varies between banks and regions. If needed, contact Chase Bank directly or explore alternatives like dedicated currency exchange providers. So even if you can't use Chase Bank for currency exchange, there are many other alternatives. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.